Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedge and Lee with the morning update for Bitcoin. I'm sorry I'm a little late with the update today. The bull flag has it so that the price has not breached to the upside the top white trend line. I did say yesterday it's likely that it'll hug it right under the belly of it. Pretty much that's what it's doing. In a way, this is also making a smaller bull flag of its own, like this. So with a lot of lines, I know it's not easy to see. But if the price can break out of this, it really doesn't matter whether it's the blue or the white. If that upside breach can occur, then yellow wave 3 can be started. Besides that, very little has changed. Now the alternate still remains, but this can dip one more time and go rise again, but I don't think that's the primary. That is clearly the alternate. A few other things to look at. We saw how this had a breakout. This shouldn't be too different. But also, putting a trend line could be also that this is generating a flag, a pennant flag. I'm sorry, a symmetrical triangle. And instead of labeling this as a ABCDE or WXYXZ, I think it's really a series of 3 nested 1-2s. So we would have a 1, and a wave 2. Then we would have a wave 1 of a lower degree of trend, and a wave 2. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, and maybe even another 1, 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come on. Like so. And these 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 would be series of higher degree of trend, lower degree of trend, smaller degree of trend, and then a breakout. And that really makes very good sense, because once we have that breakout, that'll finish the right shoulder of this head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders. So what will be required? Time. Time is all that's needed. And once this is completed, price set needs to breach the neckline. That is the confirmation. Minimum 1 stands at 53.82. I think it'll go to maybe 56, 58, maybe 6K. right up to the belly of this resistance zone. And I would say that's pretty likely. If the minimum is 53, 54, there's this bit of resistance to get to the 6K. And so from now until, let's say, midpoint of January or so, 21st, prices should still continue to rise. No change on my primary and my alternate. Primary showing that it's on a wave 4 and then we'll get a lower low. Alternate showing that if this turns out to be an impulse, where we get instead of 1, 2, 3 of a swing, but we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll still get a decline into the end of January as a correction though, but not a new lower low. I hope you found it to be helpful. Have a great day.